Welcome to a guided meditation of your respiratory system and bloodstream, incorporating our own Hawaiian Ho'oponopono prayer. And my intention is to guide you through this meditation to help you remove anger, resentment, blame, hurt, past pain, or judgment so that you can free yourself and all others involved from any negative energies that have prevented you from healing yourself, healing your life, and attracting and maintaining the vibrant health you so deserve. Now, if you haven't already, please gently close your eyes and take a few deep breaths in. And as you exhale, release all thoughts from your day so that you can be present here in this moment. Take a deep, slow, healing breath in. And let's tune into the highest energy frequency of the Ho'oponopono prayer. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. I love you and I thank you. The first line of the prayer is, I am sorry. Shower yourself with compassion while pumping love and joy to every cell in your body. The second line, please forgive me. Forgiveness allows you to heal. Gently forgive yourself and others by just letting go of anger, resentment, guilt, and shame. Everything and every negative emotion that no longer serves you effectively in a healing way, let it go. Release it with love. The third line of the prayer, I love you. Ask your body to open up every cell to healing. Ask your heart to pump unconditional love as your blood carries joy, joy, joy to all your cells. Allow love and forgiveness to move into your energy field and gently heal your physical body, especially your respiratory system and your bloodstream. I thank you is the fourth line. Imagine a loving wave of gratitude flowing through you and all around you, cleansing and clearing you of any anger and shame, guilt, hurt, or blame for any of your past actions, your past words or choices. Gratitude means you have already received the gift of vibrant health. Accept your vibrant health and give thanks. Take a deep, slow, healing breath in. Focus on your own very magical healing. Know and trust that you are perfectly aligned with your highest good. Rejoice in the knowledge that you have a built-in healing system. Your body has a natural defense system, your immune system, and the healing mechanism that protects you from disease and infection and warding off colds and virus and flus and infections and all other illnesses. Your respiratory system and your bloodstream is set up to absorb and digest all the positive nutrition that you can give it. Pamper your system. Feed it only positive nutritional foods and beverages and only positive ideas and beliefs. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. I love you and I thank you. Take a deep, slow, healing breath in and tune into your energetic body systems. Whenever you may feel under attack or weakened by toxic people, toxic circumstances, or toxic events, remember, you have a built-in healing system designed just for you. Take a deep, slow, healing breath in. Now give your imagination and use your imagination to see and visualize a column of white light moving from the base of your spine into the ground. Allow your column of light to go deep, deep, deep into the earth, all the way until it reaches the loving heart of Divine Mother Earth. Allow Mother Earth to guide you, support you, and love you. Know that she will always hold space for you. She is always ready to heal and transform any energies that you're ready to release. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. I love you. I thank you. Now focus your attention on the top of your head. Imagine connecting to the energy of Father Son. Tap into an infinite source of unconditional love. Visualize with this white light energy flowing into the top of your head, flowing all the way down through your body. Visualize every cell in your body filling up with this energy of love and compassion, forgiveness, and joy. Be your own personal caretaker of this energy. Align with your highest good. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. I love you and I thank you. As this white light energy flows in, visualize that you are upgrading your energy. You are raising your frequency to match the reality you desire to see in your life. Activate your light body now. Imagine the sun energy moving in like a healing wave, cleansing and clearing you on your deepest cell level. Feel the total support and love of Mother Earth, encouraging you to let go of anything that no longer is in alignment with your highest good and deepest well-being. Know that your healing system is greater than any story of illness or disease that you may have created. Remember, you raise your frequency to match the reality you desire. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. I love you. I thank you. Know this healing wave of love is healing you and helping you to release any blockages into the earth for cleansing and clearing and healing and transformation. Every breath you take is bringing in another healing wave. Set your intention to flush out old, outdated beliefs, words, and experiences that no longer serve you, so that you can bring in more and more and more light and love life force into every cell of your body for total healing and restoration. Please know that you always did the best you could under any given circumstances with the skills and resources you had available to you at that very moment in time. Open up all your cells to the compassion, love, and forgiveness and joy that is surrounding you now. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. I love you and I thank you. Focus all of your attention on your respiratory system and your bloodstream. Tap into that unlimited well of liquid stem cell healing from the center of the earth. Pull up that stem cell energy into your respiratory system. Use that stem cell energy to heal, restore, and rejuvenate the tiniest particles of your bloodstream. Take a deep, slow, healing breath in and ask your body to open up in order to release toxic people, toxic circumstances, and toxic events. Release any grief or sadness that you've been holding on to that's blocking your natural flow. Imagine that liquid stem cell energy going into your arteries, your veins, and into your microscopic blood vessels. With every exhale, see all of your cells are responding, cooperating, and opening up while boosting every system in your body. Feel the heal. Ask your respiratory system and your bloodstream to work with you. Feel your body opening up more and more with every breath. Know your body is upgrading, responding, and opening up. Ask your body to dissolve any old and outdated programming with new information to create a vibrant, healing body. Take a deep, slow, healing breath in and release any and all stuck energies and thought patterns that got attached to a body part unintentionally. Imagine the power of your breath loosening any contraction that has been stored. And just see it release now. Scan the part of your body for any toxicity any frozen patterns, numbness, or pain, or any contraction that surrounds you from a trauma or sadness. On the exhale, imagine dissolving, transmuting, and transforming any stuck energy, thereby freeing your stuck body from the patterns of the past that cause you pain, that cause you to age, or to cause you disease. Feel the heal. Take a deep, slow, healing breath in and set your attention to erase and eradicate old patterns. Set your intention to erase the old subconscious programming that is always running behind the scenes of your conscious awareness. Erase, cleanse, and clear any and all old subconscious programs of anger, resentment, fear, weakness, and lack and limitation. On the exhale, see how and feel this vibrant energy radiating out into your outer field, upgrading, rejuvenating, and healing your body and your bloodstream from the inside out. Say to your respiratory system, I'm sorry. Please forgive me. I love you and I thank you. To your lungs, your largest organ, breathing in, breathing out effortlessly. Say, for all the times I was afraid to take in life or felt I didn't have the right to take in all of life. For all the times as a woman that I didn't take in full breaths, but breathed shallow breaths because I thought of myself as a second-class citizen who didn't have the right to take up space, was not worthy to take in life fully. For all the times I gave up on life, didn't stand up for myself, or took my anger out on myself and punished myself. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. I love you and I thank you. I take back my power to heal my lungs by now nurturing myself and claiming I have the capacity to take in the fullness of life. I lovingly live life to its fullest. I speak up for myself freely and easily. I claim my own power. I love and approve of myself. I am free. I am safe. Say to your your bloodstream, I'm sorry. Please forgive me. I love you. I thank you. Say to your arteries and veins, I love you. I thank you for all the times I did not taste the pleasures of life with joy. I take back my power to heal my arteries, my veins, by now nurturing myself and claiming I am filled with joy. It flows from me, through me, with every beat of my heart. My joy is non-negotiable. And now I take one more deep breath. And I know that my respiratory system that felt desensitized and numb and painful or traumatized at times is now healed. That I bless this divine power and my magical energy that is now moving in me, through me, and all around me. I imagine this intelligent energy upgrading, restoring energy to every particle of my body and boosting it and giving it life force. I imagine this wonderful white light emanating out into a field around every cell in my body. I now take another deep, slow, healing breath in, and I open up my heart. I open up all my body to receive all this goodness, love, and joy coming to it. I tune into the unified field of infinite possibilities, where health and vitality are always available to me. I ask this magical energy to show evidence of the healing that is real in my body. I open up my heart and I'm calling to an elevated emotion of gratitude. I give thanks for a new healed life and a new healed body before it is made manifest. I imagine my healed, vibrant version of myself. I am strong. I am healthy. I am healed. And when you're ready, open your eyes, take a nice big yawn, take a nice big stretch, and return to your room, knowing that you are healed at depth.